bells ringing, diamonds bling.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fall takedown Christmas decorating video. So I'm taking down all my fall decor and putting up all my Christmas decor. I was going to do two separate videos, but honestly I'm just ready to get it done and get it over with. So it's all going to be in one. So give it a thumbs up if you're excited, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. So I'm like crunching for time because I really want to get this done before the Alabama game starts. I know, Southern thing, Roll Tide, but I'm trying to get this done before the Alabama game starts. I have about an hour and 15 minutes before that starts. Actually less than that now. I gotta clean really quickly, dust everything down, vacuum the floors. I'm not gonna mop because I'm not gonna have time to do that, plus decorate. So I'm like speeding through this.
What child is this who lay to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping, whom angels greet with anthems sweet, while shepherds watch are keeping? And this is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him, Lord, the babe, the Son of Mary. So bring him incense, gold and myrrh, compassion, King, to own him. The King of kings salvation brings. Let loving hearts enthrone him. Raise, raise a song on high. The Virgin sings her lullaby. And joy, for Christ is born, the babe, the Son of Mary.
So at the beginning of my videos, I like to just take time out and just say hello to anyone who may be new and kind of introduce myself. My name is Courtney. I do cleaning videos, decorate with me videos, makeovers. Those are my favorite types of videos to do. But if you like those types of videos, make sure you push that subscribe button. And if you don't, that's completely fine. But thank you so much for taking the time out and watching this video.
This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him, Lord, the babe, the Son of Mary.
Okay, so it was easier for me to turn the camera off and go ahead and take everything out of that tote and put it on my bed, because I was trying to go through and like see if that's what I wanted on the shelf and then take it down, and it was just easier if I just put it all on my bed like I just did. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see everything that's on my bed, and then I'm gonna let you see what I put up already, and most likely I'll probably change it, but we'll see. So this is what's on my bed. I've used this sign and this sign last year, and I plan on using them again, but I really like this joy sign right there. So I don't know, I feel like that's just a lot of stuff up there right now, so I may have to just take some things down. But I definitely love that joy sign. I just got it. We have a thing called Christmas Village here, and so I got that from Christmas Village. But I also want to put that, I think I'm going to put that one on the other side over here, and I think I'm going to put that with it. I think, I don't know, we'll just see how it looks, and then I'll just go from there.
Well, I've got news for you. I know you're waiting. Christmas is right here. Well, I've got news for you. I know you're waiting. Christmas is right here. Hold on, it's time for it to reappear. Well, all around me I hear children singing the songs that we all know. Well, all around me I hear children singing the songs that we all know. Oh yeah, the Christmas spirit's coming.
Okay, so I got all the decorating done, but I still have some laundry that I need to fold up, which I'm not going to do that on camera, because most likely I'm going to do it while I watch the football game. But I'm going to turn the camera around just so you can kind of see everything now, and if I end up changing anything, I'll do another video. Alright, so I'm going to start right here, and this actually, like this space right there is where I will put that pencil tree. So it would go to like right there, I'm hoping. So I gotta find one. I gotta look on Amazon to see if I can find one. And then y'all saw that over there. I haven't changed anything over there. And then let's turn the camera this way. I have this here, and hopefully, like I said, you never know if it's gonna change or what. But this is right here for now, and then I got this here with that picture, and I just left that up from fall time because I just did. And then I have this over here, and it's just this white Christmas tree with this peace sign, and the same thing from fall time. So also I did change out this on my bed. I did have the pink blanket, which is over there. I did have that on the bed, but I don't really have any pink decor like I did for fall time, so I just ended up changing that out and just putting the blue back on here, and that kind of ties in with that up there, the Christmas tree thing up there, like the border around it is a navy blue, I think. And yeah, so I just did that, and honestly I just wanted the blue back on there. Anyway, so thanks so much for watching. I know I'm just kind of like all over the place, but that's just me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. Love to have you part of my YouTube channel, but if you don't want to subscribe, that's totally fine. Thank you so much for coming along and watching this video, and I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. Bye.
It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air.